Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the first lecture of important MCQ series and this is the NABARD special series. This series will help in upcoming NABARD Grade A examination. In our first lecture, we are discussing MCQs based on Kurukshetra February 2020 magazine. In this series, we are going to cover current affairs, budget, economic survey, Kurukshetra and Yojana. The February 2020 Kurukshetra magazine is based on skill development. So in this lecture we will be discussing the questions of skill development. If you are preparing for NABARD Grade A examination 2020, this MCQ course will boost your preparation. In this course we are covering current affairs, budget, economic survey, reports and indices, government scheme, Kurukshetra magazine and important static portion. MCQ will be covered with the explanation and detailed explanation will be there. The course fees is 999. You can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to this course. If you want to subscribe, you can call on this number as well. The first question is, when was the Skill India campaign launched? The answer is July 2015. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Skill India campaign in July 2015. The aim of this campaign is to train India's youth in market relevant skills, empowering them for new India and global market requirements. So basically youth will be trained with the upcoming skills so that they can contribute in new India and they can fulfill the requirement of global market. The next question is, when was National Skill Development Mission formulated? The answer is 2014. There is a difference between formulated and launched. This mission was officially launched on July 15, 2015, but it was formulated in 2014. And this mission converged all the old schemes related to vocational training. The aim of this mission is to develop the skill among the youth and give boost to the entrepreneurship. This mission was launched on the occasion of World Youth Skills Day. So this is also very important. When was World Youth Skills Day celebrated? That is on July 15th. So this can be remembered. It can be asked in the examination. The next question is, Kaushalacharya Award is related to which of the following? The answer is skill development. This award has been constituted to recognize and celebrate the contribution of trainers and gurus. The basic aim of this award is to facilitate trainers from different sectors of their contribution towards creating future ready skilled workforce. So this is very important award because with the help of this award we recognize the efforts of different trainers and gurus. The next question is, when was the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme was launched? The answer is 2016. This scheme was launched in 2016 by keeping in mind a student will be trained on job because they will have practical experience before entering into the workforce. So this is very important scheme and various industries will be covered under this scheme. The next question is, which of the following international organization is funding STRIVE, Skills Strengthening for Industrial Value Enhancement? The answer is World Bank. Basically in November 2016 STRIVE was introduced. The aim of this project is to create industry cluster and geographical chambers. It would address the challenge of involvement of micro, small and medium sized enterprises. So this is very important scheme. It will enhance the skill among the youth. The next question is, when was National Entrepreneurship Awards launched? The answer is 2016. Government of India instituted National Entrepreneurship Awards in 2016 to honor the young entrepreneurs for their contribution to create an ecosystem of entrepreneurship development. So it will encourage more people to take the route of entrepreneurship. Until unless we are not recognizing the efforts of young entrepreneurs, it will not help them to grow further. The next question is, Indiaskills been organized at the gap of how many years? The answer is 2 years. National Skill Development Corporation has launched India's first national skill competition, Indiaskills, and it is a biennial competition. After the gap of every 2 years, this competition will be organized. The next question is, WorldSkills International Competition 2021 will be organized in which of the following country? The answer is China. In 2021, WorldSkills International Competition will be held in China, and the Indiaskills 2022 winner will get chance to represent the country in this event. In 2019, WorldSkills happened in Kazakhstan, and 22 winners of Indiaskills 2018 and their expert had represented the country, and they have performed very well. This event is called the Olympics of Skills. These facts are very important. Questions can be framed from these facts, so you can remember all the important facts. The next question is, ITIS Dual System Training scheme is inspired by which of the following countries' training program? The answer is Germany. ITIS Dual Training System scheme has been implemented in more than 1000 ITIs, and this is the model training inspired by Germany method. Germany has implemented this method very effectively. It provides industry exposure through industry-led training to students of various ITIs. So this is very important scheme. You can remember the point. It has been inspired by the training program of Germany. The next question is, according to the National Policy of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015, what percentage of India's population is aged between 15 and 59 years? You have to tell that according to National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015, what is the percentage of population between 15 and 59 years? The answer is 62%. The National Policy for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship 2015 says that more than 54% India's population is below 25 years, and 62% of India's population is aged between 15 to 59 years. This is very important, and this will give us the demographic dividend, and we have chance to get the benefit of demographic dividend in next 25 years. So this is also very important. You can remember all the facts. It can be asked in the examination. The next question is, what percentage of Chinese population is employed in agriculture? So answer is 21%. India has 52 crore of workforce, and out of which 49% are employed in agriculture, and it contributes only 15% of GDP or gross value added. But in China, only 21% of workforce is employed in agriculture. So this is very important fact. You can remember this fact. The next question is, according to NSSO Survey 2017-18, what was the labor force participation rate for person of age 15 to 29 years in the year 2017-18? The answer is 38%. What is labor force participation rate? It is defined as the percentage of person in the labor force among the person in the population. So how much percentage of the population is employed or in the labor force from the total population, that is called labor force participation rate. Labor force participation rate for 15 years or above was nearly 49.8%, and for age between 15 to 29 years it was 38.2% in the year 2017-18, and it is 5-6% less from 2011-12. So compared to 2011-12, in 2017 the labor force participation rate is down by 5-6%. That is really huge. So labor force participation rate is decreasing compared to previous years. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment. Thank you and happy learning.